Welcome to the Zoe People course. So, we are still learning about learning management systems. So now we are going to be talking about creating a course. So let's move right along. Creating a course. Here we are talking about self-paced and blended learning. Now, to create a course, go to LMS, to Courses, to My Courses, then click Add Course. You'll be navigated to this page. You can now enter the name of your course. Select the course type, whether you want it to be EMaterials, blended learning or self-paced learning. Thereafter, click Create. Course settings for self-paced blended learning courses and EMaterials. So, all settings related to the course can be configured under Course Settings. To access the settings of a particular course, you navigate to the course catalog. Then, you click on the little ellipsis icon of the course and then click Settings. Now, Course Settings for Self-Paced Learning Courses Basics. All the basic details of the course, the name, the duration, course admin and more can be configured here. So first off, give an appropriate name for the course that gives a clear notion about the subject covered. Select the type of course, self-paced or blended learning, will be auto-filled here. Allow unlimited registrations. Select this option if you do not want to have a maximum limit for registrations. Category. Select the relevant category that will make it easy for the learners to search for the course. Duration. Give the approximate time taken to complete this course. And then the course code. Provide a unique code that is representative of the course. Description. Give details on the course, which will be displayed in course card. Course admin. Assign a course admin who will manage this course. A shareable link. Give a URL link of the course that can be shared with users. Learning objectives. These settings clarify at whom this course is aimed. The level at which the learner must be to enroll in the course, prerequisite skills. The proficiency level that they will gain once they have completed the course, skills you will acquire. Manage batches. At least one batch must be created for a course to get published. You can create multiple batches for courses that you would like to run in various locations. So, configure the settings for the batch here, including the name, start and end date, the batch location, and the maximum number of learners allowed under capacity. Now applicable to. Define your applicable groups in this section by department, designations, locations, or even specific users. Branding. Select an appropriate image that represents the course. It will only make sense and help users to identify the course. Upload relevant course introductory files as needed. Permissions. Set the required permissions to mark file or link completion and overall batch or course completion. File or link completed on. If you want the files to be considered as completed once the file is opened, select Mark as complete when file is opened. If the files are to be considered completed by the learner themselves, select Mark File as completed by learner. Course or batch completed on. If the course completion is decided by the learner, select Marked as complete by learner. Select when mandatory files or links have been completed when certain mandatory files or links need to be completed. Allowed sections. Here you can grant or restrict access to specific sections or tabs in the course. Creating a course. EMaterials. Settings for EMaterials. So, basics. All the basic details of the course, name, duration, course admin and more can be configured here. So now, first of all, give an appropriate name for the course that gives a clear notion about the subject covered. Once again, the type. Selected types of the course may be self-paced or blended learning, and this will be auto-filled here. A category. Select the relevant category that will make it easy for the learner to search the course. Duration. Give the approximate time taken to complete the course. And our description. Here's where you give details on the course, which will be displayed on a course card. And of course, a shareable link. Give a URL link of the course that can be shared with users. Learning objectives. These settings clarify the aim of the course and what the course covers. So now, the learning outcomes. Proficiency the learners will gain once they have completed the course. About course. Enter a description of the course outlining its various aspects to aid in better sign-ups. Select the appropriate image that represents the course. This will help in identifying the correct course. And upload relevant course introductory files as needed. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.